What's the reception like to most evaluation reports? Now, usually, when an evaluation report is just published and presented in a academic setting or at a conference or at a meeting with the donor, this is sometimes the reception where there's appreciation, maybe even a standing ovation. At least for the very first time persons are hearing the findings, they're responsive to it. And then after a few weeks, months, years, these reports go on the shelf, never to be seen, used ever. Now, what are some of the possible reasons why this happened? And one reason is failure to identify the target audience. So a lot of reports are written with one audience in mind. In the case of evaluation reports, they're written for the donor in mind or for the project staff. And because it's written with that audience in mind, the evaluation report has technical jargons. It's written like an encyclopedia. Persons with a non-technical background, maybe who weren't intimately involved in the project or know of the subject matter, they get lost. And lastly, reason why reports are underutilized is because we rely on one format, which is usually the traditional 90, 100-page report. There are different formats that you can use to appeal to different target audience. Hi, my name is Anne-Marie Brown, and in this workshop, I'll be explaining the best practices for maximizing the uptake and use of evaluation findings, your evaluation report, or any report for that matter, where you want people to take action or change their behavior. So think of reports for advocacy purposes. In the workshop as well, I'll share with you communication strategies that you can use to address the different needs of stakeholders. In the example I gave earlier, a 90-page report may receive standing ovation at a conference, but that format is not effective when dealing with the wider public. So you would need a different format, maybe a one-pager, if you're communicating the same findings to a different audience. Come to the workshop where I'll share more strategies. See you there.